Hello. In this film, I will show you how to configure HashiCorp Vault as a service on Windows 11. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add Vault to your system's environment variables, prepare a server configuration file, and set up and run Vault as a Windows service. Quick setup path. Adding Vault to the path environment variable allows you to run it from anywhere in the terminal without needing to specify the full path to the executable file. To add Vault to the environment variable, follow these steps. 1. Open Control Panel. Go to Control Panel System and Security System. 2. Access Advanced Settings. Click on Advanced System Settings. 3. Add Vault to the path variable. In the Advanced tab, click on Environment Variables. 4. Edit the path variable. In the System Variables section, find the path variable and click Edit. 5. Add a new path. Click New and add the full path to the folder where the Vault executable is located, e.g., d:/Vault. In my case, Vault is located on the D drive, but it might be in a different location for you. Now we will discuss the Vault server configuration file, which we save with the .hcl extension. Here's how it is structured. Listener section TCP. This section specifies how Vault will listen for incoming traffic. The setting address equals 127.0.0.1:8200 means that Vault will listen on the local IP address 127.0.0.1 and port 8200. TLS_disable equals true disables TLS, meaning that connections will not be encrypted. This is a suitable solution for a local environment, but in a production environment, TLS should be enabled. Storage section Raft. In this section, you specify how Vault will store data. In this case, we are using Raft as the storage backend. Yes API_address equals http://127.0.0.1:8200. This is the API address that Vault uses to communicate with clients. It is set to http://127.0.0.1:8200, which refers to the local IP address and port. Cluster_address equals http://127.0.0.1:8201. This address is used for communication between Vault nodes in the cluster. It is also set to the local IP address but on a different port, 8201. UI equals true. This setting enables the Vault user interface. This allows you to manage Vault using a web browser. Remember to save this file with the .hcl extension so that Vault can read it correctly. This configuration file enables a local installation of Vault with data stored in the Raft backend and access to the user interface. Now you can pause the video and create the code on your own. Take your time and analyze each step. This is a great way to learn. Now that you have prepared the configuration file, you can create the Vault service. Follow these steps. 1. Open the command prompt as an administrator. Press Win+R, type CMD, and then press Ctrl+Shift+Enter to open the command prompt with administrative privileges. 2. Enter the command to create the Vault service. In the command prompt, type the following command. create Vault server bin path equals d://vault exe server. Config $vault config HCL start equals auto. This command creates a new service named Vault server with a specified binary path to the vault.exe executable and its configuration file. The start equals auto option sets the service to start automatically when the system boots. 3. Start the service. To start the Vault service, enter the following command. start Vault server. Verify the service creation. You can verify the service by entering the following command: sc_query vault server. This command will display the status of the Vault server service. You have now successfully created and started the Vault service. Vault should now be running as a service and automatically start each time you power on your computer. Its file path should also be accessible in the environment variables. Thank you for watching, and I invite you to the next video.